Hey everybody, back here again. We're here to replace a 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport hood latch and lever. It doesn't come as just the lever itself because the lever ended up breaking. You can see the little nub there has been pulled out of the notch that goes there that holds it in place, so you can unhook the actual hook itself to the hood. So they don't sell just the lever, they sell the entire piece. So we had to wait from the dealer to get that, and we got it, and so let's get it replaced. Hey everybody, here we are again. It is a 10mm bolt to replace the lever. It'd definitely be easier to use an impact wrench or something else that gives you a little bit more oomph. One bolt. Alright, let's get the new piece in. Literally new in the package. My fingers are a little cold. Getting hard to function. I think it's like just a little bit below 30, but messing with these metal bolts. Alright, let's get the rest of these pinned in real quick. Let me put that a little bit better so it doesn't pop out on me. I'm not going to snug it down all the way, I'm just going to snug it enough to where I can get the rest of this stuff in. So, excuse me for kind of fumbling around. Kind of pressure on these bolts. And that little cable. Actually, I'm going to grab this socket to help me guide that in. My fingers are not wanting to work. There we are. There goes the other bolt. And when I'm done, I'll snug it down, not too tight. And later I will go down around with my torque wrench and tighten to the specific pounds per square inch. So I just wanted to do a quick replacement of this thing so we can open and close our hood from now on. So that's simply all. Snug as a bug in a rug. I want to snug this one too tight because it's plastic. It's brittle out here right now. It's pretty dang cold. So I tighten it to its little snugness. Alright, that should be perfect. Feel good with that. Awesome. Well, thanks for watching. Y'all have a great night. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you want. I'd really appreciate it. Peace.